Hello guys, I repeat my video because it's broke. We're talking about the true friends and the fake friends. The true friends, let's discuss about the true friends. The true friends is never hurt you. The true friends is there for you to support emotionally, spiritually, and physically. The true friends is there for you with the bring of good words for you, to give you a inspired you, no? The good friends is helping you how to make your life better, not taking advantage to you. The true friends is praying for you, give you a good advice, and never leave you, and loving you. The true friends is very hard to find. The true friends is never tell you the wrong things to do. Never tell you to revenge. The good friends is say, stop it. That's enough. The good friends is give you a way to God. The true friends is direct tell you what is wrong and what is right. The true friends is hard to find. The true friends is never let you down. The true friends is crying before you. The true friends is always comfort you by prayer and words. The true friends is saying what is good for you. The true friends is easy to talk. So let's go to the bad friends. The bad friends is pretending. First of all, the bad friends is pretender. Secondly, the bad friends is taking advantage your weakness. Third, the true friends is fake. The bad friends is fake. The bad friends is pretending to love you. The bad friends never stop you. You are going to jump somewhere, go, jump there. The bad friends is getting what you have. The bad friends doesn't care about you, just pretending to care about you. The bad friends never advise a good things for you. The bad friends is always looking himself. The bad friends never walk with you. Never give advice, good advice. Bad friends never prayed for you. The bad friends taking advantage to you. The bad friends is like a snake. Everything on you is getting. The bad friends doesn't care what happened to you. So, which friends do you like? The bad friends never cried on you. They are laughing on you. The bad friends is always take what you have there. That is the snake friends. Bad friends. The bad friends is pretending to care for you. Oh, come on. I know how to pretending. But in their back, Satan is trying to, you know. So which one do you like? A good friend who are really give you some good advice, prayer, and or the bad friends that taking all your friends? Choose one. A bad friends or a good friends? Waiting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.